Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making Pillsbury blueberry sweet biscuits in the air fryer. Let's begin. We have here a can of the new blueberry sweet biscuits. Let's peel on this. Okay, so press on the line. It should open up. There's the icing. We're going to put the icing on the side. And we're going to separate the there we go. Boy, you can really smell the blueberries. It smells really good. Okay, let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to preheat the air fryer 300 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated. First thing what we're going to do is spray some olive oil into the basket. There you go. And space them out evenly. There we go. Now put it in for a total time of 10 minutes at 300 degrees. Okay, the sweet blueberry biscuits are ready. Let's take them out. Oh boy, look at that. Wow, I can really smell the blueberries. Okay, let's take them out. Okay, let's take some of the icing that came with the biscuits. Okay, there you go. Okay, this is what we have today, blueberry sweet biscuits made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, let's open one up. Looking good. Let's give one a try. It's really good. The icing on the crispy texture on the outside. It's really nice. I like the blueberry flavor in it. If you like blueberries, give this a try. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.